Ever felt totally confident one minute and completely lost the next? Yeah, that happens a lot in the wilderness. One wrong turn, and suddenly the trees all look the same, and your map feels like a confusing IKEA manual. But don't worry today, we're breaking down real navigation skills so you can take control out there. Navigation isn't magic, it's a skill, and you can learn it. It starts with two old-school legends that never run out of battery: maps and compasses. No Wi-Fi, no downloads. Just pure, dependable adventure tools. But here's the thing, you have to learn to use them correctly, or they're as useful as soggy toilet paper in a rainstorm. A topographic map isn't just a pretty sheet of squiggly lines, it's your view from above superpower. Every symbol tells a story. Rivers, forests, trails, even cliffs waiting to twist your ankle. Check the map's scale first. 1 inch might equal a mile. Or 5. That small detail is the difference between a fun hike and a long night talking to raccoons for company. Then there's your compass. Yeah, maybe it does look like something from Grandpa's tackle box, but it's still one of the best tools on Earth. Lay your map flat, line up north on the compass with north on the map. Boom! Suddenly the whole world makes sense. Now you're not wandering in circles anymore. You're navigating. Purpose. Next up, plotting your course. Don't just wing it. Mother Nature loves messing with people who wing it. Mark landmarks. Rivers, ridges, weird potato-shaped boulders. Anything you can recognize along the way. Estimate distance with your map's scale. Then adjust for real life. Steep hills. Add time. Snack breaks. Definitely add time. Photos with squirrels. Absolutely add time. Contour lines tell you if you're strolling through gentle meadows or climbing the stairmaster of doom. Lines close together. That's steep terrain. Your thighs will cry. Lines far apart. Smooth walking. Perfect moment for that peanut butter sandwich. Just watch out for raccoons. They're tiny bandits in fur coats. But here's the truth. None of this sticks until you practice. Reading about navigation is like reading about swimming. You won't learn a thing until you dive in. Start small. Visit a local trail. Bring a map, compass, and common sense. If you get turned around, no panic. Just reorient and keep going. Confidence comes with miles. The wilderness isn't scary when you know where you're going. So, gear up, head out, and take control of your adventure, because the world is waiting and now you can find your way.